Hey guys, so for homeschool we joined a nature adventure club. This year we want to try and do more physical activities, more nature related activities. Anyway, so we are at Sheldon State Park, and Sheldon State Park they have a lot of free classes. Today we're going to do one about owls, and then after we're going to do a nature walk, and we're going to walk towards a lookout tower. So stay tuned. Here's a stuffed, he's stuffed, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, here's a stuffed barn owl that they have as a demonstration, and it's so soft and so pretty. And this is the Sheldon State Park classes that they do, educational classes, and they're free, so that's a really good thing.
Oh, yes, I didn't know we had that done right there. Yes! We have one. That does not look like the blackberry.
Joseph's owl was really hungry.
Now it's stuck.
He ate a whole rat. He ate a whole rat.
I found the skull of a rat.
Oh dear. Oh my goodness, you did. Let me see yours, I found. Show me. I'm recording. What did you find so far?
A little bit of a skull.
So these are all the bones that Isaiah's owl ate. Well, so this is everything that Joseph found.
Well, not everything. It's that there's like too many stuff.
So you guys want to start dissecting owls?
You're doing a really good job labeling all your bones. Really good.
So you're gonna wake up and you're just gonna see a little rat head sitting right there on her bed.
And then here's a few other of the kids finding things.
Oh, look, I found a false eyelash.
Yeah, we need to go off the road.
This is the class that we are taking, learn all about. Yeah, it's cute. You did good. And now we're going to walk to the lookout tower.
Blackberries, but those aren't blackberries.
What are these?
No. I don't know, but when in doubt, don't eat them.
Yes.
You never know.
My aunt,
That's how you die.
That's how you
has a
die.
saying, if the birds don't eat the berries, then turn their birds.
Yes.
Where did my dad go?
Which way? Oh, I say let's go this way because my kids' senses are. Yes, and that's the whole point.
We're walking deeper and deeper in the woods. Will we get lost? Dun dun dun. Okay, so this is the lookout tower. And don't worry if you think, oh Lord, I can't climb all those steps, because they have an elevator. You actually climbed the stairs. Are you okay?
Did you run
Can you talk?
I feel like Rocky.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Wow, y'all are brave. We did the elevator. But it's nice and breezy here.
Hey, look, that's where we were.
Oh yeah. So look, at the bottom you see those plates? That's just to let you know what you're facing.
Houston
here,
Ship Channel.
Houston Ship Channel, if you look that way, the Houston Ship Channel's out there.
Well, where's the center?
Over there in between that.
And then over here is Beaumont. So Beaumont is that way. And over here we are facing Dallas. Dallas is that way. Over here, the George Bush Intercontinental Airport. Yes? Yes? I'm listening. Yeah, it's all water, but algae grows on top, so that's what looks a little bit green.
Yeah, but Mom,
Uh-huh.
why is there so much water? Why is there trees?
Because it's a lake.
Why is there trees in the water?
Well, sometimes it's probably not that deep. Over here is downtown Houston. Yeah. Maybe two. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you could see it. Look. Mira. You see it? You see the sky? I mean, I don't think not on the camera. So it's Houston. It's probably just cloudy or... You can't really see it. It's a cloudy day. But Houston downtown skyline. I can see it. It just doesn't show on my camera. Right?
What river is this, or what?
This is Sheldon State Lake.
Down there. Look at them. Such slowly.
What's happening?
Peasants. Yeah, those peasants.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Look at them. Look at them.
What are the keys of the land and the high castle? Yeah, look, take these peasants. Yeah, peasants.
Caution, alligators do not feed or approach. So we're gonna go see if there are any visible. But do they come out at this time of day?
They may prefer to be over there and all that overgrowth and stuff. That way they can hide.
Are you tired? Is that a good spot to take a break? Yes?
This flag is starting to break up.
Careful, you don't want to fall. You don't want to fall. So if you're looking for something to do in the Houston area, definitely come check out Sheldon State Park. They do so many things here, and you can come and hike and just do all that nature stuff.